Alright, here we have a disaster.
It's a disaster. It's coming together though. What's all this? Wow, great timing.
Oh, that's a lot of wood.
It is? You don't think it could fit in the driveway? I think some of it could fit in the driveway. Got here at the same time.
So annoying, man.
Who?
I wish you'd finish already. I asked them to like all of last week.
The guy doing this trench?
Yeah, so annoying. I'm so annoyed at him.
Truss is done. I think the plumbing is going in right now as we speak.
Literally, I was like, Wednesday, please come. Thursday, please come. Friday, please come. Saturday, please come.
You're mad the trench is not done?
Well, I'm mad it's done now. At least if you would have waited another day, I think this would be good. Or if you would have came in last week like that.
Did they finish the plumbing lines?
You finished one of them. I guess I gotta see if the inspector came. I didn't see if the inspector came.
Okay. Where'd you dig the hole? Oh, nice. Okay, so right here, we had to connect the old line to the new line, and we couldn't get through the cement wall, so Ben had to dig through the cement by hand. And then, what else do we got? We're working on the stormwater right now. We tied in the gutter system, the new gutter system. Ah, don't mind me. All this, when Ben and I were marking with the spray paint, this is what we were marking for these lines. Wow, it is a mess. Jeez. Poor Ben, he's managing this project all by himself. I mean, I'm trying to help too, but we're gonna watch this later. I just want to make a note about how busy we both are, including myself. And with his plans. He's so cute. Okay, looks like they're unloading the wood, so let's go check that out. Probably better if I went this way. Okay. And we had to dig this stormwater little retention trench right here out in the front. So this ought to be interesting.
This is the low point drain. And the stormwater is right in there. The guy already looked at it and he said that's okay.
So we already put the system in there and it's covered up?
It's good. Yeah.
Did we do the rock or the sand or the pebbles or whatever we had to do? Did we do the rock or pebbles or whatever? Or is that going to be over this?
We did these. This kind of rock.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, if that back was covered, he could have just gone with his little machine and dropped it off in the back.
You guys are going to have to haul those wood back and forth, back and forth, back and forth.
Hopefully it'll be done before the trusses get here.
It needs to get done by Friday. Like, Friday it needs to be done. Which, the inspection needs to come in today.
Watch out.
I think we could maybe put some stuff on the driveway. Okay. But that's a lot of stuff. Yeah. Maybe a little bit. Let me go look at it really quick. I'll see what I can do.
I'm gonna help move that wood. All the wood is here. The boys hard at work. My mom supervising. And then hopefully this gets done this week. Framing's gonna start. Stormwater will pass tomorrow after failed 2 times. But there you have it. Till next time.